Picture yourself in the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, keyless start, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.